Little 17 throwback. Very clean product. We have next week, a week from tonight, if you're looking for Mahomes, if you're looking for Trubisky, Watson, they have, we've got a triple case break, Leaf Best, Vertex, and Crown. So, all 3 cases, all those are already up on eBay if you're looking for those 17 rookies, triple case. So, be glad to have you join us for that. I know that's how it seems with the one. I mean, even just the inners, it feels like certain products you've at least got one big boy in there, but with Panini One, there's at least 2 or 3. They've got like Rosen and Mayfield or Jackson and Allen mixed in there. So like most of the time, you did, Maxwell. We busted through it. Who did you have? I can send you a link though. Just let me know who you have, and I'll email it to you. It's super quick, that stuff. It's high end. I mean, 1 card per, but it's nice. If you're looking for a big one and you go with the personal case, I'm not going to tell you to invest in it because it's pretty expensive. But yep. In one or Optic, Jeremy? Alright, guys. Good luck. Hopefully we get a big boy. Yep. Yep. Right on. Alright. Got a Jai Hill for the Denver Broncos, Carlos Henderson. Little squiggle auto on card for Denver. First out the gate. Then Gibson for the Eagles. Rookie auto. Jay Cutler blue. That's numbered to 99. No, Maxwell, I don't think so. But on the Bengals, though, I got to get you a refund. They are not in the checklist. To 49. Probably going to have to random that because it's numbered. Round 1 numbers Watson and Trubisky. Yeah, it was brought to my attention they weren't in the checklist, and I realized it not until they sold. Kelly Miller. How about some Dalvin Cookies? Red, very nice on card for the Minnesota Vikings. That's numbered to 75. 4 of 75. Very nice. Some Chad Kelly action. That would have been nice. Before he got cut there. His autos were way up there for Denver. David Johnson, red. What are you looking for, baller? Out of 199 specifically. And All-Pro Earl Thomas, red. That is numbered to 49. Let me know what product. I don't have a whole lot, but I might be able to get some of this open. I mean, I've got some retail, but... Alright, Samaje for the Redskins. Auto's kind of everywhere on that one. And for the Broncos, red, Jake Butt. 3 for Denver. Sticker auto. That's the 75. This guy's talented if he can stop getting hurt. Andy Dalton blue. Numbered to 99. Defensive Player of the Year, Joe Hayden. For Pittsburgh, number to 25. Jones, Diggs for the Seahawks, Darbo. Ricciardo. Seahawks on the board. To 50. We've got a duel of Leggett and Sprinkle. Jets versus Redskins. Dual autograph. Duke Johnson for the Browns. Red. Numbered to 199. And Rookie of the Year, Zay Jones. Dak Prescott, Todd Gurley for the Giants, Wayne Gallman. Rookie auto. For the Niners, Matt Breida. Red. Rookie tickets, numbered 7 of 75. Red Von Miller for Denver, numbered to 199. And MVP Contenders, J.J. Watt for Houston. Couple of randoms. Leggett and Sprinkle, and we've got Browns and Texans. So let me get it pulled up here. All right, so switch that out of here. We'll go Texans and Bears first. I have to bring you on Instagram. On YouTube, you just look to the right. Bring you over. Alright, guys. Texans and Bears. 8 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Bears. Yes, sir. Snipe Kings. Who you looking for? Alright. Next we have Jets. Cowboys, Bills, Cardinals. Oh, okay. I was going to say, you had all them guys? You got some good teams. And Skins. Jets. And Skins. Alright, 8 times. Not bad. Yeah, you did get Cowboys. Looking through the checklist, if you guys do jump in one, we're going 8 times. Cowboys have, I think, like 14 different hit opportunities versus some other teams. 5, 6, 7, 7, and 8. For the Skins. So, Skins take the dual autograph. Alright, guys, that's it for tonight. Baller, if you're still in here, just message me and we'll see if we can't work something out.